Hi, I'm going to show you how to make an Aurora cupcake. Now the Aurora is what we call the pretty lights that we see at the poles of the planet. Here on Earth they're most commonly known as the Northern Lights or the Aurora Borealis, but what a lot of people don't know is that they also occur at the South Pole, and we call those the Aurora Australis. They don't just occur here on Earth, they occur on other planets such as Jupiter. Now, of course, to start off our Aurora cupcakes, we're going to make a earth cupcake base, and we're going to make a blue and green velvet. So to start our cupcakes, we're going to mix together the wet ingredients. So we're going to add 1 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of white vinegar. And we blend that all together. In a separate bowl, we sift 2 1/2 cups of flour, which I've already done, and then we add 1 3 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. We then add 1/2 cup at a time the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and we mix. So now that you've made your velvet batter, I'm going to take a separate bowl. I'm going to spoon some of it in. This is going to be the green land masses in our earth. Should be about 3 or 4 teaspoons. Do the same for blue. So it's a nice deep blue for your oceans, and a nice green for your land. We're actually going to now put our earth cupcakes together. So you're going to need white chocolate discs for the poles and Maltesers for the core of the earth. So we're going to lay our lined cupcake pans with white chocolate discs. We're going to fill them with a little bit of blue, little bit of green, alternating. Put a Malteser in the middle, and then we're going to cover it. Put a little bit of blue and a little bit of green. Make sure it's nice. Malteser is in the middle. And then we're going to top it off with another polar ice cap. And there you go. Your earth cupcakes are ready for the oven. Make sure it's been preheated to 180 degrees, and we're going to leave it in there for 20 minutes. So when you're ready, we're going to make a white chocolate buttercream icing to pair with our little earth cupcakes. To start off with, you need 225 grams of butter at room temperature. To this we're going to add 230 grams of cream cheese, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Once we've added all our ingredients. So once you've creamed together your butter and cream cheese, you're going to melt 230 grams of white chocolate. So once it's nice and smooth, we're going to add it to the butter and cream cheese mixture and mix them together. Once you've mixed together the white chocolate with the creamed butter and cream cheese mixture, you're going to add 2 1/2 cups of icing sugar, little by little, and mix them together. there you have a delicious white chocolate buttercream icing. Now that we have our delicious buttercream, we separate it into 4 different bowls equally. We're going to make one green. Now this is the color of oxygen in our atmosphere interacting with sunlight. I want to make one purple, which is the color of nitrogen interacting with the sunlight. And then we're going to make one black, which is the night sky. So when your gorgeous cupcakes come out of the oven, they should look like this. You see, they kind of look like Earth. What you're going to do is you're going to take the icing bag, you're going to put a round nozzle on, and you're going to put a spoon of white icing, a spoon of green icing, a spoon of purple, and a spoon of black. There we have South Pole, North Pole, core, and the Aurora. It's absolutely delicious.